y'all, it's Christina. So welcome back to another video. Today I did a Valentine's Day look. I did one last year. And it was really cute. I really liked it. And I was kind of contemplating on whether I should do another pink look or like just do something sultry and just like, I don't know, just cute for Valentine's Day. If you don't know by now, my favorite color is pink. I'm wearing pink. My background is pink. So I figured I'll do a pink look. I mean, it is Valentine's Day, so it is what it is. Yeah, so I did a pink look. It was out of a few of the palettes that I do have. If you've seen a number of my makeup videos, even not just on here but on TikTok, I don't wear lashes a lot. So when I do wear lashes, it's for like a very big occasion. And yeah, I love Valentine's Day. So yeah, I wanted to just do a really cute look. I know that I'll be dressing up for actual Valentine's Day. Something similar to this. So I was like, let me see if I can go ahead and make an eye look beforehand for actual Valentine's Day and go ahead and film it for y'all. I usually don't do that. I'm more of like a freestyle type of girl. I don't really plan out and have like specific eyeshadow looks because I don't really see myself as a makeup artist. I feel like makeup artists are actual artists. If they wanted to, they could probably paint a picture. I can't do that. I just like making myself look pretty and it ends up looking good. I use a few palettes. I'm gonna get into those palettes real quick. I'll have them listed either on this side or that side because it's a few palettes. And I'll also have the shades that I used. But yeah, y'all, this look was actually really fun to make. I didn't talk through because I usually don't like doing that when I'm freestyling because I really don't know what I'm doing. Pretty colors, pretty pinks, that type of thing. And for my lips, I usually don't do my lip like this. I think it's really different, but it's cute and it gives me a cute color that I don't necessarily have from like a lipstick. This is like a makeshift lip. But yeah, enough talking. If y'all have any other video suggestions, if y'all think that I did something wrong, go ahead and tell me in the comments. I love to get feedback, especially from y'all because y'all are my biggest supporters. Without further ado, let's get to the video. Starting out with the base, the first product I'm going to be applying is the Vitamin Shop Hyaluronic Serum for a nice glow. Next, for hydration, is from the Vitamin Shop as well. It's the vitamins E, A, and D cream. And following behind that is my CosRx Snail 96 Mucin for just an added layer of moisture under that makeup. Moving on to eyebrows, I'm using a spoolie to brush them in a direction that I want them to fall in. And then I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony, and I'm going to fill them in. The brush that I'm using came from some kit that I got years ago, but you can use any angled gel liner brush that you have.
Yo, DJ Smasher. I need
So once the eyebrows are filled in, I'm going to clean them up, use my MAC Studio Finish Concealer in NW45 with the Morphe M165 brush. I use a Morphe M167 brush to blend that concealer out all the way. Now that the eyebrows are out the way, on to the eyeshadow. I'm going to be taking my Morphe M173 brush and spreading the MAC Prolong-wear concealer in the shade NC50 all over my lid to act as a base for the eyeshadow because it helps for the eyeshadow to stick better to my lid, kind of like a primer. After that, I set it with the Laura Mercier setting powder in medium deep. Starting with the crease, I'm going to be taking the shades Matte Max and So Gorge from the Morphe palette that I mentioned earlier, and I'm blending those in my crease with the Morphe M453 brush. That's my favorite brush to blend with.
You go, oh, you know how I've been living without you, daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon.
Next, out of that same palette, I'm taking my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush and I'm applying the Grab Attention shade, and I'm putting that on my lid, trying to pack it on as much as I can.
I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you. So close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If you had it, that's on
With that same brush, I'm putting the shade Already right on top of that previous shade. I'm going to take that same blending brush and make a seamless blend to make it look a little bit better. Now, out of the BH Cosmetics palette, I'm taking this like hot pink / fuchsia color, and I'm adding that to my inner corner part of my lid to add a more brighter pink that stands out more, making sure to not overpower the mauve shade that I just applied to my whole lid. Taking the shade Total Inspo, I'm going to be applying that to the crease. To add some shimmer and neutralness back, I'm taking the shade Chick Yeah on my lid, and also back on the lid with that bright fuchsia color on my inner part of the lid.
If you don't know
feel like the crease wasn't giving what it needed to, so I added Fenty's Mocha Mommy bronzer to the crease area. Then I'm going in with my favorite shade, Mirror Check, on the lid. To smoke it out just a little bit more and give the look more depth, I added Smoke Show from the Morphe palette on the crease, but making sure to be more precise where I put it, so I did that with a taper brush. So now that that's done, I added lashes and my liner off camera. So now we on to the face. Starting with the primer, I will be using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer all over my face. So now I'm using my favorite foundation ever. That's the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation in the color Marquises with a flat top foundation brush. For concealer, I'm taking my Hourglass Vanish Airbrush Concealer in the shade Umber in the places that are needed. I only use this shade to correct, not to highlight. And I'm blending that out with the Morphe M175 brush that I used earlier. To highlight, I'm using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer in the shade 10 on my forehead, Cupid's bow, and under my eyes. To bake, I'm taking the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in the shade 56 Mahogany with a powder buff. To further set that, I'm taking the Laura Mercier powder in the shade Translucent under my eyes. Moving along to contouring, I'm going to be taking my Real Techniques contour brush, and I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty's Mocha Mommy bronzer to the face. To finish things off, I'm taking my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder in Dark Deep all over my face with a big powder brush. Y'all, I'm really enjoying that rosy type of look when it comes to blush. So I'm going to be taking that Makeup Revolution Duo Blush in the shade Daydream with a Real Techniques buffing brush to the cheeks. Then I'm going to add a little bit more rosiness and shimmer. So I'm going to be taking the Milani Baked Blush in 01 Dulce Pink with my e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush to the cheeks as well, right on top of that. I think those two blushes together are so pretty. Now for the lips, I wanted to give a pink tease. So I kind of improvised with this. I took the NYX lip pencil in Hot Red and I blended it all over the lips. Then I went in with another NYX lip pencil, but in like a darker brown type of shade, and I put that lightly on the perimeter of my lips only. Taking the e.l.f. tinted lip oil in Nude Kiss, I dot it on there, making sure I don't put too much on, but making sure it's just enough. And that's how I got that really pretty pink look. To lock everything and make sure everything stays together, I took the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray and I let that dry. Finally, to add finishing touches, I use this Caviar Eye Color Stick in the shade Strapless from Laura Mercier. And yeah, that's the look, y'all. I really hope y'all enjoyed this look. I really enjoyed filming it for y'all. I'm really sorry that it took this long to get it out. A lot of things was going on in my life. But yeah, I hope to see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.